Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Install Nearby Share on iPhone from the App Store and on Android from Play Store. Open the app on both phones and allow required permissions for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location. Sign in with a Google account if prompted and confirm device names. In Nearby Share settings, set visibility to contacts or everyone for quick detection. Keep screens unlocked and stay within 3 to 10 feet for best connection stability. Close conflicting apps that use Bluetooth to avoid pairing delays or failures. Open the photo, file, or link you want to share on the iPhone. Tap the share icon and scroll the share sheet to choose Nearby Share as the target option. The iPhone will scan and display nearby devices. Tap the Android device name when it appears. The Android phone shows an incoming request. Tap Accept to begin the transfer. Choose whether to save into Photos, Files, or open the item directly when prompted. Wait for the progress indicator to reach 100% before closing either phone. If transfer fails, toggle Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location off and back on for both phones. Restart the Nearby Share app or reboot the devices to clear temporary connectivity issues. Move the phones closer together within 3 to 10 feet and remove obstacles between them. Ensure both devices have the latest app and OS updates installed to avoid compatibility problems. Try switching visibility from contacts to everyone if the Android device does not appear. As a last resort, use a temporary hotspot or wired connection to move the files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.